Let me show you one of the easiest ways to make money online today. Step 1. I want you to go to YouTube, where you may find a variety of entertaining videos. Step 2 is to click on any of these videos, and Step 3 is to watch the video. And boom, money goes into your account. Here's how much money you can make from this. You can make $3 simply by watching one YouTube video. When you view 10 YouTube videos each day, you get $30. And when you watch 50 videos per day, you may earn $150. What do you think? You can just repeat this as many times as you want to keep generating money. This is absolutely genuine and completely free. Before we begin, welcome to the official Money Pill, where I show you how to make money online step by step. Please subscribe to this channel and remember to click on the notification bell so that you will be notified every time I release a new video on how to make money online and you can take action. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. If you have any questions or concerns, be sure to leave some comments below. Now, let's return to the video. Remember, I have a little extra tip for you at the end of this video, which is a unique tip that will allow you to make 5 times more money by just viewing YouTube videos. In this video, I'll teach you how to watch YouTube videos like this one and earn up to $3 for each video that you view. The first thing I want you to do is go to youtube.com and click on the sign in button at the top of the page. This will lead you to this page. If you don't have a YouTube account, you can actually establish a free Google account and sign up for YouTube from there. And after you've logged into your account, you'll see that you can access the finest of YouTube videos from there on the left corner. YouTube will display the most popular videos in the most popular video genres, including music, sports, gaming, news, and others. So right now, I'm going to teach you a secret approach that no one is talking about, and then I want you to click on gaming from there. This will take you to this page in the games area. So right now, I'd like to offer you the first extra tip. I'd want you to focus on this video game, which is Among Us, as it is one of the most popular games right now. When you search Among Us in the search bar, you will be transported to this page where you may get some specific ideas about which of our game videos to watch. So there are tons of great, entertaining videos here, and all of them are getting millions of views. So you know that a lot of people will be watching these types of videos. But how does one convert this game's popularity into money? Well, it's simple. All we need to do is to go to 7r6.com, and on this website, you can shorten URL links and transform them into actual physical money. Don't worry, I'll make things as easy as possible for you. It's really simpler than you think since no one else is discussing this method right now. If you watch this video all the way through, you may make a lot of money. So the idea here is very simple. Join up for a free account on 7r6.com. Following that, you must shorten various URLs for various YouTube videos. In a minute, I'll show you precisely how to do it, and you could be generating money on every single video. Now, I'd want to show you one specific example of how it works. If you're viewing these YouTube videos, you can locate the share button right here. Then, click the copy button to get the YouTube video's URL link in your clipboard. All we have to do now is return to this page and enter our link into the shorten URL box. By just entering the link to that YouTube video into this box and clicking on this small button, this website will immediately assist me in converting and shortening the lengthy YouTube URL link into a fresh, new, unique link, as seen here. So the deal here is that you will now get paid every time someone clicks on this specific link. That is precisely how all of these men are able to earn a lot of money every day right here on this website. You can pay out your profits into a personal account after you've earned them. And the good thing is that there are a plethora of payment alternatives. Since PayPal is not available everywhere, the first thing I want you to do is return to the site and click on the registration button. From there, you'll be sent to a new page where you may sign up for a fresh new membership, which is, once again, completely free and accessible worldwide. I'd want you to enter your username, email address, and password, as well as agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. After you've finished reading, click the register button. When you sign up for a new account and check in, that's what you'll see right here on your dashboard. From there, I'd want you to click on the top right button, which is the new shortened link. and that's where we'll copy and paste our YouTube link into this box, and we can shorten the URL. So all we have to do right here is go back to our YouTube video, copy and click on the share button, and copy this URL link. So just return to our dashboard and paste our URL right here into this box. And under the alias section, type Among Us, which is the name of the video. Then you're going to want to simply click on the shorten button, and there you have the shortened link. So moving on to step 3. Return to YouTube and repeat the procedure for up to 3 other videos. The more videos you copy your link to, the more money you'll earn. This next extra tip I'd like to offer to you is that I want you to concentrate on this specific area of YouTube gaming because you'll be earning a lot of money. And I want you to focus specifically on a live streaming video since these types of videos will pay us very well. Then we'll go through the identical process all over again. Then we'll just click the share button, then the copy URL link, put in the second link to another video, and then click the share button again. Continue by finding new videos, copying the link, and shortening the URL link. Moving on to the next stage, I'd want you to visit steamcommunity.com. This is a gaming website and a gaming platform where many people debate various tactics for playing various games successfully. As you can see, this game has sparked a lot of interest. They're simply so popular right now. This is your best opportunity to capitalize on this trend, combine it with the strength of 7r6.com, and profit handsomely from all of these YouTube videos. What you can do is create a free account in a Steam community, start a trend, and publish the shortened link. You'll receive a lot of clicks from people who see your link. Your goal is to get them to click on it and watch the video. You can make money with just one click, and with just one video. You might even make hundreds of thousands of dollars. For those of you who are still watching, I have a secret extra tip that will help you make 3 times as much money as other individuals. This is going to be a private website that I never share with anybody, but I'm sharing it with all of you since I want you people to benefit from everything I have learned so far. Now, I'd like to reveal the ismoot.us secret to you. And because you've made it this far, I want to share this opportunity with you because if you copy the URL to a live streaming video or something along those lines, you'll earn a lot of money. Now, the last trick that I want to share with you in order to help you earn a lot of money is that I want to offer you this free copy and paste template that you can use. From there, you can just copy and paste this template. You can post it on the Steam community or on moot.forum as well. You'll receive a lot of clicks on your shortened link from there, and you'll make a lot of money. So this was just one of the extremely easy examples, and you're going to get a lot of clicks this way. Have you seen this wonderful Among Us gaming video? You didn't? It's incredible. You may see the live streaming video right here. And this is where you'll enter the shortened URL. Return to our dashboard and just copy this URL. Click copy and then return to our template and put the URL exactly here. All we have to do is copy the complete template, click on copy, and then paste it into the Steam community or the forum. Because of these gaming videos, you don't have to put in a lot of work. They are picking up on a variety of patterns. They're really popular right now, particularly if you discover a decent video on YouTube that's receiving a lot of views, as you'll quickly receive a lot of clicks on your shortened links. Many individuals are able to generate money in this way. They earn a lot of money from every video they view. So there you have it, folks. Did you like today's video? Let us know in the comments below. With this, we're going to wrap up this video. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more incredible videos. We hope to meet you guys again in the next video. Until then, take actions, make that money, and take care.